Which term best defines the word extract as it is used in paragraph 3 of the passage? A. Squeeze, B. Remove, C. Emit, or D. Retrieve. Let's begin by locating the context in which extract is used in this text. We see it in the first sentence of the last paragraph, which tells us that the team that analyzed Cheddar Man was able to extract a full genome set from fragments of his skull. Based on this, we can see that they're not talking about physically squeezing or removing it from his skull, so choices A and B can be marked off. Regarding choice C, emit simply doesn't sync up enough with the meaning of extract to be considered, as to emit is to send forth, while extract implies removal of some sort. We are left with choice D, retrieve, which fits our context, as it would make sense to say that the group of scientists were able to retrieve a full genome from his skull. Based on this, we can mark D, retrieve, as our final answer.